Good evening. Well, here we are again for another trading day. In the morning we had a losing day, which is unfortunate, but it's honestly my fault. So on the daily, yeah, I hope we don't have a consolidation here again. But yeah, the daily looks like we will get another, like a bigger retrace. And also the 1 hour, like I said in the morning, if you break this flag, we actually created another low. So we had the retrace, and honestly, I'm looking for sales now. So I'm gonna log into my trading accounts. I'm gonna be trading the Grand Cup account again as well, but also this is the Grand Cup account. Here you go. Switch over to 5 minutes. Let's try to leave the noise out. And do a fewer trades just with better setups. So honestly, let's see. The entry would have been up here somewhere. So yeah, let's hopefully we have another winning day here. That is one reason why I didn't want to go short yet down here, because I learned a really hard lesson today. Kind of a tough one. So there are like literally guys that made $26,000 in one day with one mini. Alright, I'm gonna mark one zone here. Just serious for now, my important zone here. I'm gonna be watching so it doesn't get to break it. And we'll go long. But if it breaks it, then we'll go short. Well, we looks like we're going up, but we have to be careful for not to
Order
be just
filled.
Consolidation again.
Order filled.
And a target that high.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, that was one good trade there. I'm really happy about that trade, honestly. Patience pays off. It always will pay off. It will always. I did not have it that in the morning. That's what made me lose money. That's why I literally lost money in the morning. But sometimes you gotta pay. You gotta pay it, because this is, what is it? 47 to 84, so that is almost 40 points. Hold on. Yeah, pretty much 40 points. So yeah, let's see if I'm gonna do another trade. Especially on this account, I won't do another trade. I was 277. Now this is the one I started trading with. It's a Lucid Flex account, and I was up 200 and something. And I had 400, and I had a very bad streak. Like I lost $400 in a week, and I was last week break even. And in the morning I had 277 loss. And now I'm up 124. So that account is done for today. But here I don't know yet. I'm not looking bad actually. I was 800 down with these two, and I was 700 down with this one. Well, a little over 700. And so yeah, I'm not sure yet what exactly, if I will do another trade or not, because these ones I traded this account later. Like I took these accounts that I was like, nah, I'm not gonna lose money on those accounts, and then I made money on this account. So let's see if we get another good setup. Alright, so it's refusing to break it. Let's go to ES. Let's not forget ES. It's refusing to break it. 15 minutes. It's refusing to break the top, but I don't think we're gonna get in like a sell-off. What the heck? Hold on. There. So yeah, I will wait, see if we can get a good setup for another trade. And I'm hoping not to lose money today. Stay in green. But I also have to be very green. I mean very green. Because if you look at this, these are the top 5. Those guys made $20,000 or more than $20,000 today. Like if they're gonna do that every day, I'm not gonna be in. I'm gonna be out. My win rate actually is 35%, which is very bad. Profit factor is 6.5, which is under 0. This hasn't updated yet. This is yes from in the morning. My count is set here, so 49,195. I am higher. Right now I'm 49,916. So, but whatever. That doesn't really matter. Yeah. Okay. It actually shows 20 trades. $804 loss. We gotta change that. All right. I was gonna say it's getting ready for a sell-off, but it doesn't really look like it. I hate these markets if I do this. I hate them. Let's look at the noise a little bit. Yeah, 1 minute, boom, go long. That's what you would do. Which is actually not a bad trade idea, but I don't like those. I've been losing money on that so much. Alright, actually might this kind of close to 5 minutes. If it gives me a little retrace, I actually might try another long. If it's gonna give me time. Alright, I need a little bit of retrace for an entry. Let's hope it's gonna fill me there. No, it decides not to, and then I'm just gonna go long here. Which might be a bad. This is 53. Well, this is more than 10 points that I lost here. Yeah, if it hits that high, then I'm happy. Man, if I well, let's see how this trade's gonna end up. I think we're gonna break that high soon. Alright, break that high. We have still 3 minutes for this candle to close. If this kind of closes back right, then I'm most likely out of a trade. Alright, it was red, but it's back in green. We got 2 minutes. 1 minute and 40 seconds. We need it to go up. Oh, we hope it for it to go up. It's our probability. I want to work on changing my point of view, my mentality over that. I need it. No, I don't need it. The market doesn't need to listen to me. Nothing. Because if you have that mindset, it's going to make you lose over and over again. And that's what has made me lose a lot of money. So no, the market doesn't need to go up. It needs to do what it's going to do. I just need to take my opportunities in there. Alright. Now we're stalling right here. I mean, I gotta stay patient anyway, though, too. So. I'm throwing green again. I mean red. That's not a terrible close. Now we have a retrace, so hopefully this retrace doesn't go too deep. And there we go. Failed to create another high. That is not good. I mean, it's gonna scare people out first before it's gonna make a good move. Ooh, that is not looking good. That's a big retrace.
Stop field.
There. Failed my stop. I'm still in green though. Barely, but let's see if we get another setup. Yeah, I think this is what I was kind of expecting as well. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Let's see. We're gonna have. I had a nice trade there, and I had a losing trade. So. All right. Let's see. Are we in buys again? I think we are. Let's see first. But let's see. Let's wait if we break out to one or the other direction. I'll try a short
Order
long here.
filled.
Hopefully we get filled. Alright, the market wants to go up. Nah, just kidding. Market is gonna do whatever it's gonna do. I'm hoping it's gonna go up. That's what I trade off, but let's see. And looks like I'm gonna have another stop. I hope not, but there you go. We're out. I mean, that would be a miracle if it wouldn't stop me out at my take profit. That doesn't ever happen. If it's that close, you take profit and then it goes back to stop. Yeah, that happens quite often, actually. But it never does happen that it's that close to your stop and then goes back to take profit. I don't think that ever has happened to me.
Stop
Yeah,
fill.
like I said, out. Um, we go up, we go down. I go long, I go long, I go long. I should go short instead of go long. I also have this here, so let's see what's gonna happen. Ah, there we go. Ooh. Let's see if we're not gonna buy it up right away. Almost tempted to go along here, just how sure I am that they're gonna buy it up again. Like they're gonna most likely buy it up back here to 110. Maybe not. I might be wrong. We're not far away from that. Matrix I said they were gonna do. They're gonna buy it out right away. We're only barely the second minute in. Still got 50 seconds on the second. 1 minute. Let's see if they're gonna buy it up within the next 5 minutes. Well, actually, they're not. Not as fast as I thought they would. I mean, if they don't manage to buy it up again, and it starts to go down again, then it's actually not a bad setup. Actually selling it off again.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can. If we go down, we can catch this more a little bit.
Order filled.
I'm really hoping for it to sell off now. Let's see what ES is doing. He has created up a bottom, but I don't think they're gonna buy it off that quick. Let's see, hopefully they cancel off. This 1 minute closes, this 5 minute closes in 50 seconds. I'm really hoping they can sell it off quick. I'd like this one to close at, well, preferably at 60, but at least at 80. Or lower would be nice. If this a strong sell-off, then it's gonna close at 60 or at least close to it. So yeah, it's 10 seconds for it to close.
Order filled.
Now I wanna watch the 1 minute.
Stop filled. Stop
Uh,
filled.
I was up 700. Some I think after this week they will bring it up again. This big week here, they might actually sell it off more, but I'm protecting my emotions now, not the money. The money I'm not protecting right now. I'm protecting my emotions. So yeah, this is what I'm at right now. $55 in profit in 31 and 31. I was up 700 and 300. But that wasn't enough money for me. I wanted to make more. Which is, I guess, fair, but at least I'm green. But right now there's, man, it broke my zone here, which I could go long off, short off of, but at least if they don't buy it up right away. Because I feel like if you have those shops, they like to buy it up real quick. You know, like this whole zone here, it feels like the market doesn't really know what wants to do there. Let's see, if I would have gone break even, it would have almost stopped me out. I'd still be in a trade. We gotta just gone short right here instead of going long and lose and then go short down here. Look at this, and I'm
Order
going short
filled.
again. Look, switch over to 2 minute. And sometimes the 1 minute's a little noisy and gets you into trades, and it's not bad looking at the 2 minute. Well, there, I'm break even. Hoping for it not to stop me out right away. Honestly,
Order
I'm
filled.
taking that. Could have taken it down there, but nah. Yeah, we're a little higher, and I'm done for today. I mean, I'm gonna trade tomorrow morning, but yeah. So I made 166 and 86 and 86, so a little more, a little bit more, but yeah. That is it for today. So I will be trading tomorrow. I don't think I will be live streaming it because it's gonna be on my laptop, and I don't have the streaming set up on my laptop, so it's gonna be just gonna be my maybe just in the evening, just do a review and everything of it. So yeah, all right, that is it for you. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.